Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20 EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software. Then after that, go to this icon right here. You will see indicators. Click on it. And here on available, scroll down until you see EMA. Okay, this one, click on it 2 times and change the period to 20. Then scroll down until you see here EMA again and change the color if you want. Okay, so let's change this color to, let's say, yellow green. Okay, and here you can change the width, the thickness of the line. So let's say 3 and click on apply. And as you can see here, this is our 20 EMA. So let's say I want to make the line thicker. You can change it to 4 and click on apply, and you can see here you can also change the color again if you want, and I think that you get the idea. After that, click on OK, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.